Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Would you believe that what I'm eating now is not tomato stew? Yeah, you heard me right. It's carrot stew. You can see how it's bubbling. It's dancing skelew inside the pot. So I have washed the meat very well. I'm using turkey. You can use chicken or olive or any protein of your choice. And I'm now spicing it up with curry. Dry spices. It consists of dry onion, bay leaves, and I'm adding thyme. I'm adding 2 knorr cubes for seasoning and grated ginger and garlic. I'll be adding paprika to it or dry pepper. Okay, then the chopped onion. I will stir well to combine for them to introduce and meet each other. I will cover to cook for 15 minutes before adding water. Oh my god, I forgot to add salt. Did you notice that? What would my meat taste like without salt? So I've added the salt and cover it. So this is 15 minutes now. As you can see, it has brought out sauce on its own. It has brought out its own juice. So I'll be adding it water now, enough to cook the meat. I'll give it a stir and cover it to cook for 25 minutes, okay? So over here, I have the carrot. It's been properly washed. I've washed it and I've scraped the back. I have the red bell pepper. You can see how big it is. Then I have 1 bulb of onion, ginger and garlic, and 1 scotch bonnet pepper or fresh pepper. I will be using 1 because my kids will be eating the food, so I have them in mind in whatever I'm doing. If I add too much pepper, they won't eat the food. Okay, so I just cut the carrot. In order to blend this, I'm just slicing the carrot small, so it will be easier for me to blend well. You can go ahead to boil it, okay? All those things makes it to blend easier and very well. So I'm cutting the bell pepper. I will slice it and keep it aside. The same thing with the onion. Okay, shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Have a warm hug. Please click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Like, share and comment. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. I love you guys. Thank you for the like, share and comment. I so much appreciate. So I have sliced them all in the bowl there. I will now transfer it in the blender to blend. I'll be blending it bit by bit. As you can see, this is not Buchi blender, yeah. This is natural bullet, so it's not that big to blend them at once. I'll be blending them by batch and I will keep it aside, just like this, okay? So if this is the first time of coming across my video or my channel, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please subscribe. Subscription is free. And click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Like, comment, and share to your family and friends. Thank you. So over here, our turkey has been cooking and is well cooked now. I will then go ahead to scoop it out and then prepare the oil for frying it. Okay, so I'm adding the oil now. I will go ahead to add a chunk of onion to it. This will take the meat to another level. There is this aroma and deliciousness it will give the turkey, okay? So while frying your meat, either turkey or chicken or whatever meat, add a chunk of onion to it. It will give it this heavenly flavor that you will like, okay? So I will deep fry the turkey. I will fry till it turns golden brown before I scoop it out. You can also oven grill it, okay? You can grill it using oven or air fryer. But you know, it's true that I'm making, I will still use the oil to prepare this too. And meanwhile, with the taste of the turkey and the onion integrating inside the oil, It will take the aroma of the stew to another level. So I have fried and scooped it out, and I've transferred the same oil inside the pot, and then add the diced onion. I will stir it a little for the onion to integrate inside the oil and give it that aromatic taste. And then add the blended carrots, bell pepper, onion, ginger, and garlic. Okay? Just look at the color. Who will know that this is blended carrot, that is not tomato? This is so nice. With the hike of the prices of tomato and foodstuff now, you can easily switch to carrot because carrot is very cheaper. Imagine buying fresh tomato and tin tomato also. It will be very costly. So I stir it and cover to cook for 20 minutes before adding the spices, okay? And as you can see, it's splattering even though I added enough oil. And remember to cook in medium heat. I'm cooking in medium heat. So what you have to do, you don't have to open it very wide. You don't have to open the lid very wide. You just open by the side of it and be stirring it so that it will not get burned, okay? Stir it with time, from time to time. So this is 20 minutes now. I have off the stove in total so that I can be able to add the spices, okay? And then I'm adding the spices now. I've added the curry, the mixed spices. I'll go ahead to add the thyme. I'll then add just 1 knorr cube for seasoning. I will then stir very well to introduce them meat, and if they can go ahead to marry, that will be a very nice one. So I will cover it to cook for 10 minutes before adding the meat stock, okay? And this is 10 minutes. The carrot stew is well cooked now. As you can see, the oil has floated up, okay? I will now go ahead to add the meat stock. I will now turn it very well. You can remove the particles, okay, of your meat stock. I don't like to remove the particles while cooking my stew. It's while cooking the jollof rice or fried rice that I do remove the meat stock. So I now added the crayfish. I will then stir it very well and cover to cook for 10 minutes before adding our turkey. And this is 10 minutes. I'll now go ahead to add our turkey. Our carrot stew is all getting ready. As you can see, our stew is dancing kukere already. Kukere, kukere, kukere. And you can also see that I've already started boiling the water for the rice on the other side of the stove. So I'll cover to cook for 10 minutes and our stew is all ready. This is 10 minutes. Our stew is all cooked. Thank you for watching till this moment and have your own plate of carrot stew. Bye.